Most small business owners think they have 20 problems, but they really have 2 problems causing the other 18. So if you're a small business owner that is drowning right now, or maybe you're just not quite hitting the numbers that you know that you can and that you deserve to hit, this one's for you. Doesn't matter if you're an electrician, a moving company, a roofing company, a bookkeeping company, or something all the way in between, or even a plumbing company. This one is for you. I had a client give me a call in February, not yet a client at that time. He was referred to me by another client, and he said, hey, I'm trying to exit my business, and I'm wondering if you can help me do that in the most profitable way. I said, of course I can. Let's get together, let's talk. We met and we talked, and he wasn't talking about the type of exit that I thought or hoped he was. Instead, what he was wanting to do was to walk away. The business was not going as good as he thought. Again, this is a plumbing company, and he was drowning at about $30,000 a day. He was 2 years into business, and he was in full-on panic mode. It's February, and he wasn't sure when or if his next job was going to come in. The work was incredibly unsteady, and it was starting to affect his marriage and his image of himself, and whether or not that he felt like he was even a good father and a provider. So it was weighing very heavily on him. He wasn't sleeping well at night. He wasn't eating well. He wasn't exercising. And he's like, it's just time to get out, Mike. It is time to get out. Whatever I got to do to walk away from this thing, help me do that. I'd love to do it with my dignity and my wife and kids not thinking that I'm a failure. So I said, I think I can help. I just need you to agree one thing. You just need to agree that you'll remain open to all possibilities. And he agreed that was fair. So as we dug into it and he laid out everything that he had in front of him, it became super clear, super fast that he did not need to exit this business. And I shared that with him, and he said, Mike, what am I missing? And those are the words that I'm used to hearing for the last 30 years. When I get to that point in the conversation, I know that we're about to have a massive breakthrough when they say, Mike, what am I missing? And I told him, it's super simple, brother. Like, you are so close because you've had good weeks. You've even had good months in the last 2 years. You just haven't sustained them and stacked weeks and stacked months. So all we need to do is examine what was working and create a repeatable pattern to where that happens over and over again. And it's February in the Midwest. We got snow on the ground. It's super cold. So nobody is out there making very much money. So therefore, they're spending as little as possible. So they're not using any discretionary spend on service or anything else. So that was part of the problem. He didn't have a seasonal plan built. He was marketing exactly the same way 52 weeks out of the year. So when we built a seasonal business plan that talked to our likely customer 12 weeks ahead of when they were going to need the service, we started to get traction. By the 1st of March, just 4 weeks later, the business was making $5,500 a week, running about 60% profit, which isn't massive. That's not a lot of money, let's be clear, but it's a lot more than zero and undependableness. By the end of April, we were $8,000 a week. And by the beginning of June, we were at $30,000 in profit a month. He took the first vacation that he'd taken in years. Then he took another. Then he planned a third. And we're stocking the cupboards for the winter. So it can turn around on a dime if you get the right set of eyes and you have the right mindset. Your business does not have to continue to stall or fail. And if you're in a position where you think that you've got 20 things are broke, you likely don't. It's likely just 2 things causing the other 18 problems. You just need a set of fresh eyes because you're too deeply involved in it to see what those 2 key things are. So that's what I recommend for you. If you're drowning, if you're feeling like you need to walk away, you need to quit your business, or your business just isn't delivering at the level that you believe it can, I absolutely believe that you can crush it. This is America, man. What other country can you start a business, feel like you're going to walk away in February, by March you're solvent, and by the summer you're taking 3 vacations and stocking the cupboard for the next year? Only here, only in America. And I just felt like we may as well say that because it's our 250th birthday, right? Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember, you're always closer than you think to the goal. You just need to be sure that you have the map and you have somebody that can help you read it. Peace out until next time.